Hello everyone, this is Vincent Chan from Podder.net and today we'll be unboxing the new HUAWEI P40 Pro. So let's begin. HUAWEI's P-series has always been where they showcase their latest camera innovations, and the HUAWEI P40 series is no different. HUAWEI has worked with Leica since the HUAWEI P9 and that continues in the HUAWEI P40 Pro. The HUAWEI P40 Pro is HUAWEI's most advanced camera smartphone yet, with a new 50 megapixel sensor that's just the largest smartphone camera sensor in the market to date. There's also a 40 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 12 megapixel periscopic zoom camera, as well as a 3D depth camera to round things off. And of course, hardware is just one aspect of a camera smartphone, with HUAWEI cramming the HUAWEI P40 Pro with a ton of AI features and also support for some crazy 7680 frames per second slow-mo video. Needless to say, the HUAWEI P40 Pro brings out the big guns and isn't afraid to use them. So aside from the impressive camera, the HUAWEI P40 Pro also boasts of impressive connectivity. So the HUAWEI P40 Pro is powered by the Kirin 990 5G chipset, which is supporting dual 5G bands, which include the non-standalone and standalone bands. In addition to that, it also supports Wi-Fi 6 up to 2.4 gigabit per second, and I do believe that makes it one of the first, if not the first smartphone to feature 2.4 gigabit per second Wi-Fi. So of course, being a HUAWEI flagship, it also comes with HUAWEI Share, which lets you use multi-screen collaboration so you can sync your HUAWEI P40 Pro with a HUAWEI MateBook and use them seamlessly. So of course, let's not forget the beautiful design of the HUAWEI P40 Pro. The HUAWEI P40 Pro here features a quad curve overflow display, which you can see curve smoothly over all the edges of the device, while also giving you a very practical experience because you still have volume buttons. And as you can see, they went with a punch hole design, which uses a peel-shaped cutout to fit the 32 megapixel selfie camera along with the IR depth sensor, so that you can have very beautiful selfies without having to deal with a notch. And flipping it over to the back, you can see the lush deep sea blue finish that our P40 Pro here has. And of course, the highlight is the camera, where you can see it takes up quite a lot of space on the rear of the smartphone. And despite the sleek design of the HUAWEI P40 Pro, they managed to cram in a 4200 mAh battery into the body, so I do believe they make full use of the space available in the HUAWEI P40 Pro. So that's it for our unboxing of the HUAWEI P40 Pro. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to our channel, like our Facebook page and follow us on Instagram. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.